What's up, everybody? June 6th, 2021, and getting ready for the markets to open up here. And really excited about this week because we had a huge move against the dollar last week at the end of the week for NFP. But however, I am still favoring some dollar strength coming in. That for a lot of people, that might not be that might sound like a little bit of a ridiculous proposition at this point, but I think the stars are aligning. We've been in a very long decline here for the dollar for quite some time. So this is the start of COVID, and it looks like we are in the process of carving out a bottom here on the dollar index. So this is the daily chart. If I go to the 4-hour, you can see we had this breakout and the retest. This was Friday when the dollar just got crushed. Now we're retesting backside of this trend line here. I think this is going to create a excellent buying opportunity for dollars. So in other words, buying dollar CAD, potentially UJ. I think Euro USD we are in set up very nicely, and for a move back lower here. This was Friday's action. You can see here was our push higher. We had this nice we have a nice candle here, inverted hammer, right? And we stalled right here at the 61.8. You can see right there, and retested. Actually, you can see we retested the 78.6 like right on the dot, and I actually had a buy limit or a sell limit, excuse me, here on the 78.6. This was the move Thursday, and then the pull back. And so I'm going to be looking for shorts here on Euro USD. This is the long term. We remove this fib here so you can see more long-term view from this low to the high. You can see we retraced right back to the 38.6. So I'm feeling good about this move here on Euro USD and the potential for us moving lower. And you can see we just retested the backside trend line. This is the 2-hour time frame, but right on this 2-hour, right on the 200 moving average here. And we're starting to break down by looking at it on the momentum. So there's a lot of things going on here. Here we are retesting the envelope. We're already seeing some downside on the momentum. This is one of my favorite setups, the way it's looking right now. So I'm going to be looking at that. I wouldn't be surprised to get a push higher early in the session. And then, maybe the dollar strength not coming in until Tuesday, and us having some good turnaround Tuesday action, right? So here is cable GU, and shout out to Tyson and the accelerator group. If you watch this video, man, that was an awesome call. We're on our live trading sessions, and he pointed out this cross we have on the MACD up here on the daily chart. So this could be in the start of a huge potential turnaround. So I'm gonna be looking for a good entry here on GU. Kind of looks like a potential inverted head and shoulders setting up here, but man, if we could get a rally back up here to 142.34, retest these highs potentially, that could be a really good setup here. Nzd USD, same deal. We got a nice rally, and I'm going to be looking to sell these rallies for sure. Nzd USD, Aussie rallied really hard with the strength of the S&P and stocks into the week last week, but same deal. If we go out to these daily charts or these longer term time frames, we've made a top and we're going sideways, and we're starting to falter here. So there we are on AU. Nice pullback here, man. These look like some excellent opportunities. There we are in Nzd USD. Same deal. We're in a huge uptrend. We have a distribution phase going across, and now looking for us to his trade I took midweek last week. Got out way too early on that one, but it's okay. You can see we retest this order block here and about to make some moves to the downside. So last but certainly not least, we have dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, man, the CAD has been so strong. And just like I pointed out in on the dollar index, we are coming out and looking like we formed a bottom. It's worth noting that on Wednesday we have Bank of Canada, and Thursday we have the ECB. So you know it's going to be another big week for not just, it's been volatile no matter how you look at it, but now we're going to get some volatility on top of some potential rate statements and central banks to really push the market around. So, you know, if I can get an entry down here at 120, 50 or 40, man, this is going to be a great re-entry here for dollar CAD. Another one worth noting, Cad Yen. Finally, we've been in a huge, massive uptrend. Now we're moving sideways, and it looks like we're starting to come off a little bit with their strength on Cad Yen. If we can get in early here, early in the week, I'd like to get a entry around 90.80. I think we're going to see some more follow through, especially with the central bank. So it's going to be a huge week this week. Click the link below or wherever this video is posted to get started in our group. If you want to join us on our live accelerator calls and trade with me, live New York session, and go through my material to show you how the best methods to go out and get funded and use the momentum, the rangefinder, and my indicator setup and the system that I use for free. Shoot me a message and we'll get you started in the accelerator if you qualify. And let's have an awesome week, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the VIP chat room. Peace.